Hi everybody, it's Miss Ashleigh here from the Bracebridge Public Library, and I'm going to be reading you guys a story today. And this is my lovely dog Sheba, and she is going to be joining us for our story time. And I also have my other dog, Lucky, who has decided to participate as well. So let's have some fun. But before I start, I just want to say that to all my little munchkins who have come to the library for story time, that I miss you guys, and I hope that you guys miss me too. I know it's a little strange right now not being able to come to the library, but we do need to be practicing our physical distancing. And you guys also need to be practicing good washing of your hands. Get them sudsy. Sing happy birthday song. I don't care what you do, but make sure your hands are clean. So the book that I have chosen today is called Bear Snores On, and it's written by Karma Wilson, and it's illustrated by the fabulous Jane Chapman. Now, I have selected this book because, well, it's spring, and spring is a time when animals leave their hibernation. And seeing as how we're all sort of in hibernation mode right now, I thought that this would be a really good choice. So, let's read it together and let's have some fun. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. You have to get lucky. An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they sip black tea. That sounds pretty good right now, doesn't it? Maybe I'll make one after this story. Mouse sips wee slurps, and Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. He sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I have brought some honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up. Let's cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, and crunch. But the bear snores on. And our bear right now is Sheba. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. And then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "Oh, what a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. What do you think's gonna happen, guys? Is the bear gonna wake up? They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Can you believe it? Hare stokes the fire and mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Makes the bear go achoo! He blows and he sneezes. And the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls, and he snarls, and he roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps, and he stomps, and bear growls, and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And then the bear blubbers on. But Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret! Don't fuss! Look, see! We can pop more corn and we can make more tea." Aww. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I hope you guys like this story, and I hope you guys like this video. I will be posting more, so if you liked it, please let me know. Until then, take care now. Bye-bye.